Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and here we have received another update from DJI FLY App regarding the latest version, that is 1.7.5. So currently we were running on version 1.7.4, and there we were able to see that there was added support for the DJI FPV drones, and here in this version there is not going to be any difference for any mini users or micro drone users. This update is specifically for the DJI FPV drone, that is to remote controller, where there were few bugs in the previous version that has been fixed in this version. So this is not going to be any effect or any feature add to our drone. So anyways guys, we will be updating the DJI FLY App, and we will be testing our hack process, whether it is going to work or whether it's going to have some issue. So here in the about session you're able to see that I have updated my app version to 1.7.5. After updating, I could not find any difference in the transmission as well as the camera settings as well as the controller. And whenever you update your DJI FLY App, I would suggest you guys to go in the safety settings and go to the advanced settings and check that whether the signal loss is set to RTH or not. If not, please set your signal loss to RTH. Now let's quickly open the DH companion and let's try bypassing the 15 meters limit. So as soon as you open the DH companion, you can see here you will get the two buttons of 500 meters and enabling FCC. For this you would require internet and also the DH license. So if you guys are looking for the free hack, then you should go for the Rainbow View free version application and follow the same steps. So I will add the link in the I button as well as in the description. You can check out that video as well. So after doing this process, you can see that our drone has already bypassed the 15 meters and the max altitude has been set to 500 meters. Now even in the height, you can see that our height has exceeded more than 15 meters, and we could not find any bug or anything. So you're safe to update your DJI FLY App. I would suggest you guys only update your DJI FLY App. Don't update your firmware, because if you update your firmware, then there is a chance that your hack might not work. So I would suggest you guys only update your DJI FLY App. DJI FLY App version 1.7.5 is safe, and without any worries you can update it on your drone. So that's it for this video guys. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.